Hi, this is Steve Numra in Chicago. I just came to the property I purchased end of October here in Dyer in Indiana. Okay, it's already 1 month and a half. Okay, we already started this project since 1 month ago. We have been doing great. Okay, the project is going very, very fast right now. I'm going to introduce you my general contractor here, Marinko, and he's going to introduce you what we have done so far last 1 month.
How you doing? My name is Marinko. I'm a general contractor with RPC Property Development, so I'm gonna give you guys a little walkthrough of what we've done so far on this property in Dyer. You follow me. We'll start with the basement first. We demoed the entire basement. There was no insulation behind the walls, so we put all new green drywall on the outside walls, insulated it. We're putting foam insulation in these holes instead of taking this drywall down. There was popcorn ceiling on the whole basement ceiling, so we scraped it all off. We're gonna skim coat it. This is the laundry room. We are gutted the whole thing again like the other place, put new insulation down. There was some mold here, we got rid of it. We're gonna change this plumbing. This is gonna be a slop sink, washer, dryer. We have another bathroom down here. Again, we gutted the entire bathroom. The light's not on here. New drywall. This is gonna be the shower. It's gonna have a shower head with mixing valve right there. And then I'm gonna take you guys upstairs. Up here, so far, mainly cosmetic. We ripped the floor and the baseboards. We had to touch up a lot of walls. There was a lot of imperfections in the walls. This is subfloors, brand new. Here, we're gonna skim coat this. It's another popcorn ceiling. This is the kitchen. There used to be a half wall right here. We knocked it down, filled that in. We're gonna take out this soffit here and go with the cabinets all the way to the ceiling. And we're gonna have a brand new soft closed plywood construction cabinets with quartz countertops and backsplash. We're actually measuring for the floors right now to put new floors down. This is a bathroom upstairs. Used to be an arch, so we cut it out, made it square, put new green board here. We're gonna change this plumbing because we're gonna have one of those shower panels right here. And then we're gonna glaze the tub instead of changing it. It's gonna be a new toilet, new vanity right here, a new mirror, new light and exhaust. This is the master bedroom. So we took out all the doors. We already installed new doors. We're doing bifolds here. Again, a lot of touch-ups on the walls. We're getting ready to prime tomorrow. Excuse me, Brian. This is another bedroom here. Same thing. I mean, a lot of these walls are really bad and weird angles, so we try to fill all that in to make it look nice. Same with the closet. You can kind of see different colors in the wall where we mudded everything. You're gonna have bifold doors here and 6-panel doors in here. This window is getting replaced because it's got a crack on it. Again, another bifold door here. We're gonna have white shelves. It's gonna be a vinyl plank floor with white trim, more than likely gray walls, white ceilings. There's gonna be new lights in each bedroom, and we're doing can lights in the hallway, the living room, downstairs, and I believe the dining room also. So yeah, in about 2 weeks, this house will have new floors, started on the trim, kitchen will be up. If it gets delivered on time, and we've got about 3 weeks, we should be done with this house. Thank you, guys.
We are planning to finish this project within next 2 weeks, by the end of this month. Okay. We are moving so fast right now. Therefore, next big project is flooring. Okay. Another guy is coming to install the floor next week. There also electrician coming to check all electrical wiring, and they're also installing the new light fixture, also the can lights, recessed light. Then finally we're gonna paint entire house, and you can see the brand new house in 2 weeks. I'm gonna show you the completed project next time. Thank you.